So yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm ready to dump it. 3, 2, 1. That is cold. So yeah, you basically just got it. Yeah, this is freezing cold, and I got my Minecraft t-shirt all wet, got my hair all wet, and Rex is looking for some water to drink. Yay! So yeah, this is basically just